The U.S. Treasury Department is projecting that the tax hikes proposed by the Biden administration would bring in $3.6 trillion over the next decade, which would pay for a significant chunk of its proposed extra spending of $4 trillion. The White House says the tax hikes would pay for that spending in full in 15 years. The administration is seeking to raise taxes on corporations and on America's highest earners. Suk-hyen reports.
The U.S. Treasury Department expects President Joe Biden's tax plan to bring in $3.6 trillion over the next 10 years. That estimate was published Friday in the Treasury's Greenbook report, which provides details on the taxes the administration wants to use to pay for more than $4 trillion in new spending on the economy and the social safety net. The proposal includes big tax hikes on corporations and the wealthy. The corporate tax rate would be raised from 21% to 28%, a partial rollback of the cuts made by President Trump, who had lowered it from 35%. The administration said the increase would bring America's corporate tax rate more in line with other advanced economies and reduce inequality. Also, the top income tax rate would be raised from 37% to 39.6%. That rate would apply from next year to the country's highest earners, affecting married couples making more than about $509,000 a year and individuals making more than about $452,000. For households on more than $1 million a year, the Biden administration also wants to increase the capital gains tax rate to 39.6%. Meanwhile, the White House has said these changes over the next 15 years would pay for the combined $4 trillion in full. Suk-hyen, Arirang News.